What's going on, guys? Grooming is subjective, but in my opinion, these 5 steps we're going to go over today that are all about your head are super important that you cannot miss if you want to be a stylish individual. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, Dudes and Foxy Dudettes. My name is Chris, and I appreciate you being here with me. Today we're going to talk about grooming, but if you appreciate fashion, style, pop culture, we do some cooking, you name it, there's a whole bunch of topics we cover on this channel, then please click like, click subscribe, help us grow. We're a young channel trying to grow. Only a few subscribers away from hitting 1,000, and I would greatly appreciate it. So without further ado, let's talk about these grooming tips. So starting off at the top of your head, the one thing you do not want to skip out on is a haircut. A fresh haircut, all right? You want to get a fresh cut at least every 3 weeks. That's how I do mine. Now, if your hair grows fast, mine grows pretty fast, so 3 weeks cuts it, but if it goes really fast, then adjust for you. But you want to be getting a fresh cut every 3 weeks, and a good tip is when you're paying and getting ready to leave your stylist or barber, make an appointment for 3 weeks out. This way, it's not sneaking up on you. That's what I do. I wholly recommend doing that. Another thing too is maybe change up your style, your hairstyle. If you've had something for a while, maybe now is the time to change it up. There's nothing wrong with changing your hairstyle. You know, guys, we tend to lose our hair or it thins out when you hit 40. That's roughly the age they say it goes. So if you've got it, you know, make the best out of it. Try a different style. If you got short hair, go longer. If you got longer, go shorter. I've done a whole bunch of in-betweens. I've had long hair, like really long hair, and short hair, like the style that I'm rocking now. Experiment. Have fun with it. You need to, right? So try out different styles before it's gone and too late. We're on tip number 1, and I'm already giving you a bonus. So well-rounded tip of the day, and this probably won't be the last one. Don't forget to edge up your hairstyle, right? So in between cuts, you know, if your nape needs it, shave your nape. I have a longer nape, but I shave it at least once a week. If you have a fade, you know, or a taper, you know, you want to, you know, get that taken care of to keep your style looking fresh in between cuts. Your barber will usually do that or can do that for you, but it's a good idea to edge up to keep your style looking fresh in between cuts. Next up, you want to make sure you have 2 eyebrows, not one eyebrow, one unibrow in the center. So you want to pluck in between here. Notice I said pluck and not shave. You want to get yourself a nice slant nose tweezers. Pete and Pedro has a great set. I'll link them down in the description. And just gently pluck. It won't hurt. You just pop, pop. Very easy. Never shave, because when you shave, well, anything really, your hair is tapered, and when you cut off the top, it's going to grow in thicker, or at least it's going to look thicker. Because think about it like, you know, like your pinky. If you cut the top of your pinky off, it's a little thicker down here, right? So that hair is going to grow out and it's going to look thicker, and you're definitely going to have a worse unibrow than you did before. So definitely pluck, not shave. Skincare is the name of the game, coming in at number 3. And you guys wouldn't believe it, but I am like 82, and you couldn't tell because I use Tiege Hanley. I don't look a day over 32. But I kid. But Tiege Hanley is no joke. It's an amazing skincare system. There's level 1, level 2, level 3. Level 1 has your face wash, your AM moisturizer, PM moisturizer, and your scrub. Level 2 has all of that, plus an amazing eye cream. And level 3 has everything in level 1 and 2, plus the anti-aging super serum. I personally am a level 3 user. I recommend you go with that, but if you're new to the game, just try out the basics. What's cool now too is you can mix and match, make your own kit. They have a whole bunch of add-ons. There's ball powders, there is body washes, there's a whole bunch of products over at Tiege Hanley for you to try if you want to make your own skincare system. I would recommend just, you know, I would just start off with the basics. but you can't go wrong. Taking care of your skin is super important, especially if you want to look young for a very long time, because like I said, mid-80s, and I don't look a day over 32. Alright, this one goes out for the guys that are rocking beards. I can't tell you how many times I have seen guys just let their beard go. They just let it grow wild. It's patching on one side, sticking out with static electricity on the other. It does not look good. You gotta take care of it, right? You wouldn't walk around with your hair like that. Why would you walk around with your beard like that? What I recommend is trim. Don't just let it grow wild. Trim. It's not that hard. Just put in a little effort. Get a Brio Beardscape. That's my personal favorite beard trimmer. There's a bunch of beard products. There's, beard brushes, there's beard oils, there's beard balms, which is kind of like hair product for your beard to help it stay in place. We all have different facial hairstyles, and I mean, like some guys have beard drift, so like the beard oil will help. Just take care of it and edge up your boundaries. What I mean by that is, take a look up here. Never trim up around here, okay? Because that's gonna look weird. But if you got scraggly hair like around here, what I recommend is take your finger, touch it like right about your Adam's apple. Anything that's behind your finger or below it, you're going to want to shave that, trim it with an actual razor. And, up here, if you've got some scraggly hairs, I know I got a couple that'll pop up over here. You want to just kind of line your beard up, do it kind of with your ear down to like the corner of your mouth. And anything that falls out of that, just like make it go away, depending on your style, how you want to trim it up. But if you've got, patchy hairs or scraggly hairs, I should say, around here, you want to trim those. I like the Dollar Shave Club razors. It's got the razor, the single blade on the back, so you can just, I think they call it the detailer or the edger or whatever the hell they call it, and get rid of that. Do that on both sides, and you will be golden instead of, just a wild bush on your face. Now, I'm not gonna lie, a lot of these on this list are some of my pet peeves, but this is probably my biggest one, this last one. Trim your damn nose hair and your ear hair, okay? It is disgusting. I've told this story before, but I knew a guy who he wouldn't trim his nose hair and it was growing outside of his nose. So when he turned to the side, you could see it, and like how you can see my shadow right over here, like you could see its profile, his nose hair's profile would cast its own shadow. It's not good, guys. Just get yourself a nose hair trimmer. Pete and Pedro has an amazing one. I know, like I said, I talk about Pete and Pedro a lot. They're my favorite grooming company. There are other products out there, but Pete and Pedro, in my opinion, is the best, and that's why I will always recommend them to you. I don't get any kind of kickback from that. But yeah, trim your nose hair and your ear hair. It's unfortunate, but as we get older, we start to grow hair out of our ears. It's what we do. It's just nature. Can't help it. Trim it once or twice a week, or if it grows quicker on you, a little bit more. It doesn't take long. It just takes a little bit of effort, right? Just a small amount of effort. It may take you an extra couple of seconds, but it's worth it to look your best, because when you look your best, you feel your best. When you feel your best, magic happens, and that's what I want for you guys. So please trust me on this. Trim your damn nose hairs and your ear hair. Nobody wants to see that. Remember, guys, try to add these grooming steps into your routine. It may take just a little bit more effort, but the payoff will be tremendous. All right. And with that being said, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the social media things. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm. Ring the bell. Be sure to check out thewellroundeddude.com. The website is really the hub of everything we do here. Over there you will find links to old videos. You will find some offers from some brands that we've partnered with that believe in me and believe in you. You will find the link to our Amazon influencer page with some things I've curated that will help you out in your everyday life. Some of the grooming tools should be on there too. And you will also find a link to our merch page, and you can get yourself a cool Well-Rounded Dude t-shirt or so much more and save a little bit of cash with the discount code DUDE15. So with that, we will catch you next time. Take care, guys. Peace.